Managing fuel for a fleet shouldn't slow your business down. But receipts get lost, purchases go unchecked, and reporting takes hours. Fillip Fleet replaces outdated fuel cards with a simple digital solution. Drivers simply tap the Fillip tag, tap to authorize fuel, and the receipt is captured instantly. No cards to lose, no receipts to track, no wasted time. Every transaction is recorded in real time, by driver, by vehicle, by location. Automatic digital receipts, accurate reporting, and exports that make month-end reconciliation effortless. Have complete visibility into your fleet's fuel spend, control costs, prevent misuse, and keep your vehicles moving. Fillip Fleet, more than a fuel card, fleet management simplified.